For centuries, humans have turned to nature for remedies and healing. The wisdom of ancient civilizations has been passed down through generations, revealing the incredible power of plants in promoting health and well-being. Plants, in their remarkable diversity, hold a treasure trove of compounds with medicinal properties. Each plant, with its unique chemical makeup, offers a different set of benefits, making the natural world a vast pharmacy waiting to be explored. Among these natural wonders are ursolic acid and oleanolic acid, two compounds found in a variety of fruits, herbs, and medicinal plants. These acids are particularly abundant in the peels of apples, the leaves of basil, and the stems of rosemary, making them easily accessible through a balanced diet. These compounds have been traditionally used in various cultures for their health-promoting benefits. In ancient times, healers would prepare herbal concoctions, teas, and poultices to harness the power of these natural acids. From ancient Chinese medicine to Ayurvedic practices, ursolic and oleanolic acids have a long history of use in treating a wide range of ailments. These traditional systems of medicine recognize the value of these compounds in promoting longevity, vitality, and overall health. Today, modern science is beginning to unravel the mechanisms behind these traditional uses, confirming the potent therapeutic potential of ursolic and oleanolic acids. Researchers are delving into the molecular pathways influenced by these compounds, providing a scientific basis for their historical applications. These compounds have demonstrated remarkable pharmacological activities, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, hepatoprotective, anti-diabetic, and antimicrobial effects. Their ability to modulate inflammation and oxidative stress makes them promising candidates for the prevention and treatment of chronic diseases. This essay delves into the fascinating world of ursolic and oleanolic acids, exploring their chemical structures, dietary sources, and the scientific evidence supporting their numerous health benefits. By understanding the molecular makeup of these acids, we can appreciate how they interact with our body's biological systems. Incorporating foods rich in ursolic and oleanolic acids into our diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance our health. Nutritionists and health experts recommend a diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, and herbs to maximize the intake of these beneficial compounds. Join us as we uncover the potential of these natural compounds in preventing and treating various diseases. From boosting immune function to protecting against chronic illnesses, the benefits of ursolic and oleanolic acids are vast and varied. Embrace the power of nature and discover how these ancient remedies can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Ursolic acid and oleanolic acid belong to a class of organic compounds known as triterpenoids. These compounds are widely distributed in the plant kingdom and have been the subject of extensive research due to their potential health benefits. Triterpenoids are naturally occurring compounds found in plants, and they are synthesized through the mevalonate pathway, a crucial metabolic route in plants. This pathway not only produces triterpenoids, but also other essential compounds like sterols and carotenoids. These compounds play a crucial role in the plant's defense mechanisms against environmental stresses. For instance, they help plants cope with drought, extreme temperatures, and attacks from insects and pathogens. By fortifying the plant's structural integrity and enhancing its resilience, triterpenoids ensure the plant's survival in harsh conditions. Both ursolic acid and oleanolic acid are pentacyclic triterpenoids, meaning their chemical structures consist of 5 interconnected rings. This unique structure is responsible for their stability and biological activity. The 5-ring system is a hallmark of many bioactive triterpenoids, contributing to their ability to interact with various biological targets. These compounds are often found together in plants, and they share many similarities in their chemical makeup and biological activities. They're commonly extracted from the leaves, fruits, and bark of various plants, including apples, rosemary, and olives. Their presence in such a wide range of plants underscores their importance in plant biology and their potential utility in human health. However, despite their similarities, subtle differences in their chemical structures contribute to their unique pharmacological profiles. For example, the position of a single hydroxyl group can significantly alter their biological activity, affecting how they interact with enzymes and receptors in the body. These differences, though seemingly minor, can influence how these compounds interact with various biological pathways in the body, leading to distinct therapeutic effects. Ursolic acid, for instance, has been shown to possess strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, while oleanolic acid is noted for its hepatoprotective and anti-diabetic effects. Understanding these subtle differences is crucial for researchers to fully harness the therapeutic potential of ursolic and oleanolic acids in developing targeted therapies for various diseases. By studying their distinct mechanisms of action, scientists can design more effective treatments for conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and liver diseases, ultimately improving patient outcomes and advancing medical science. Imagine a complex three-dimensional puzzle where each piece represents an atom. Each atom is meticulously placed to form a larger, intricate picture. The connections between these pieces, or atoms, represent chemical bonds, which are the forces holding the atoms together. These bonds are like the glue that keeps the puzzle intact, ensuring that the structure remains stable and functional. This is the world of molecular structures, a realm where the arrangement of atoms and bonds dictates the properties and functions of molecules. It's within this intricate architecture that we can understand the unique properties of compounds like ursolic and oleanolic acid. Both ursolic acid and oleanolic acid share a common scaffold, a pentacyclic triterpenoid structure. This means they are composed of 5 interconnected rings of carbon atoms, forming a robust and stable framework. These rings are not flat but exist in a three-dimensional space, creating a complex and rigid framework. This three-dimensionality adds to the complexity and stability of the molecules, allowing them to interact with other biological molecules in specific ways. The key difference between ursolic acid and oleanolic acid lies in the spatial arrangement of a single methyl group, a small cluster of atoms attached to one of the rings. This methyl group acts like a tiny flag, marking a specific position on the molecule. In ursolic acid, this methyl group is oriented in an up position, pointing away from the plane of the rings. This orientation affects how the molecule interacts with other molecules, including enzymes and receptors in the body. While in oleanolic acid, the methyl group is oriented down, pointing towards the plane of the rings. This seemingly minor difference in orientation can lead to significant changes in how the molecule behaves and interacts with its environment. This seemingly minor difference in the position of a single methyl group has significant implications for the biological activity of these compounds. It can influence how the molecules fit into biological targets, such as enzymes or receptors, much like how a key fits into a lock. It's like changing the position of a key in a lock. A slight alteration can determine whether the lock opens or remains closed. This analogy helps us understand how small changes at the molecular level can have profound effects on the biological activity and therapeutic potential of these compounds. Understanding these subtle differences is crucial for researchers who are developing new drugs and therapies. By studying the molecular structures of compounds like ursolic and oleanolic acid, scientists can design more effective treatments for a variety of diseases. This knowledge allows for the optimization of drug molecules, ensuring they interact with their targets in the most efficient way possible. It also opens up possibilities for modifying existing compounds to enhance their efficacy or reduce side effects. The study of molecular structures is a fundamental aspect of medicinal chemistry and drug discovery. It provides the foundation upon which new therapies are built, offering hope for better treatments and improved health outcomes. As we continue to explore the intricate world of molecular structures, we uncover new insights and possibilities. Each discovery brings us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of these remarkable compounds. The journey of understanding and harnessing the power of molecules like ursolic and oleanolic acid is ongoing, and with each step, we move closer to a future where we can better treat and prevent diseases. Nature has generously provided us with an abundance of plant-based foods rich in ursolic and oleanolic acids. Incorporating these foods into our diet can be a delicious and effective way to harness the health-promoting benefits of these powerful compounds. Fruits, particularly berries like cranberries, apple peels and hawthorn berries, are excellent sources of ursolic acid. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients. Herbs and spices such as rosemary, oregano, thyme, and holy basil are also rich in both ursolic and oleanolic acids. Adding these aromatic herbs to your culinary creations can enhance flavor while boosting your intake of these beneficial compounds. Other notable sources include olive oil, which contains significant amounts of oleanolic acid, and vegetables like garlic, potatoes, and spinach, which contribute to our overall intake of these beneficial triterpenoids.